Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to design a minimalist arrows for UI elements. Select the custom shape tool and choose a simple arrow shape suitable for UI design. Drag to the create the arrow and hold shift to maintain straight elements. Apply a solid colors that match your interface color plate. Reduce the arrow thickness to achieve a modern minimalist look. Duplicate the arrow and scale it down for secondary UI placement. Now add a slight inner shadow to give the arrow subtle depth. Also adjust the angle of the shadow so the arrow looks natural in its direction. Place the arrow on a clean background to keep the focus on the element. Add a soft gradient overlay